Alright, hello world, welcome back to this video. In this video we're going to go back to our Cardlet project and we're going to keep working on it. So the first thing we'll do is, let's see, so this is what we have so far. We're going to click on, if we refresh the page, we can go to next, like that. So I guess the first and foremost, we're going to add a back button. So our min we're going to set to 0. And here we're going to say view prev card, like that. And then let's see what we're gonna get here. So in here we're going to, when you find the next icon, let me see if I can open new incognito window. Okay, so back icon, code, yeah, symbols. Okay, so that's that. That's HTML code. Okay, so they don't even match up. Okay, I hope that's the right icon because I want the both to match up. Okay, well, it makes sense to place them right next to each other. I mean, yep, perfect. Okay, so we'll put next. We'll put previous here. Say previous. Okay, so when they click on previous, let's see. Let's refresh the page, and let's go next. Go back. Here's my Microsoft Chromebook. Perfect. So now this entire system works. Amazing. So then I guess what we can do is we can display them in a table format. So this is like the flashcard, and on Quizlet, if you actually go to Quizlet, right? Let me just go to Quizlet. So Quizlet is what we're trying to manipulating or try to recreating if you're interested. So I'm just gonna click on. I don't know. We can go to computer science. I'm just gonna click on any of them. So this is a set, and each of them are cards. This is probably not the best representation, is there? Yeah, because there's chart. We're not gonna worry about these pictures, but that's basically what we're trying to recreate, sort of. So, yeah, actually, we're gonna diverge our attention a little bit. Let's see if there's Quizlet API that we can use. Okay, so looks like we can't. This might work. Okay, we'll see if we're gonna hijack it. Anyway, so this is what we're gonna try to recreate. Something like that. Okay. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna do a table format. So let's go here. table. So as you can see, there's also different options we have. There's also learn. I'm not sure if we can do it without an account. Yeah, you need an account. Anyway, learn will give you different keys or different word, and then ask you for the definition. Or yeah, you will. I think it will have multiple choice first, and then once you go past once, it will actually ask you to type the terms out, um, something like that. So that's something we'll do next. Anyway, we need to get to the tables page. Okay. So we'll say that's a key, or that's a term, and then that's a definition. For card in flashcards, and for it's gonna be maybe not that bad. Okay. Oh, okay. So word, and then probably need to spell that out. Definition. No. Okay. Let's go to here. It is definition, and that's weird. Oh, okay. Yeah, it works. Just didn't show up. All right. Okay, perfect. So, let's see. So yeah, I think let's see. What do we want to do next? So, it'll be useful to have a counter here. I think that's what we'll do next. Just gonna add these little features. I'm just gonna add a line break. So I close that div, and then I'm gonna do a span. And then I'm gonna within a span, I'm gonna do a span. And then ID, we're just gonna say current. And then I'm gonna say out of flashcards count. Out of 2, so the current, we'll just say document get element by ID current inner text equals current. Okay, so the default will be 1. Because we're going to start at 1. So we click, do not change. It should change to 2 now. Uncut and promise. Okay, that's whatever. What is this? Companion bubble? No clue. Okay, so yeah, I guess, yeah, we're gonna do +1 because how indexes works. Okay. So, do next. Next. Perfect. Okay, so, let's see. I guess before we really get into the nitty-gritty detail of implementing Learn, I don't want to start that just yet. I think what I want to do is to enable that so we can upload, they can upload a CSV file, and then we can parse a CSV file basically. So if I open up to do a search, so if I open up, what's that called? Numbers. In applications, search up numbers. So that's, if you don't know that, that's just basically Apple's quote unquote ripoff of Excel, basically. And if you don't know Excel, well, you should probably know it. It's like Google Sheet, which is a ripoff of Excel. Anyway, so we'll use numbers. We'll make a new document. So, for example, right, what we want is we have a couple CSV value. Actually, no, I don't even want number. Do I want numbers? Yeah, probably don't even want numbers. I just want a text. You know what? We're gonna use numbers. It's fine. There's one. Okay. So I guess what I think there should be is a save as export to CSV. Okay, good. So in here we're gonna have, I don't know, we can say key term and definition, and then here we'll say I don't know, let's see, I'm just gonna steal something from Quizlet, I guess. Let's see, let's go back to computer science and just steal something. Okay, I don't know how that relates to computer science. Okay, I'm gonna just steal you because I can. Okay, so do I want this? This is not a good example because I don't want the keys to be able to create new lines, because the way to store that is you have to figure out where to store these new lines, and that need us to store HTML, which I don't want to do that. Oh my god, all of them have it. Can I just find one that doesn't have new lines? Okay, this one works. Alright, so I'm just gonna copy some of from this set. I'm just gonna borrow it really quick. So yeah, that's also one other feature I have, is it can do a text to speech when we click on it. And that's also something we want to look at. If there is, I don't know, like free or cheap APIs. Okay, don't do that. Okay, well, I don't like you. Okay, I'm just gonna return from this set so I don't get sued, hopefully.
Measure for the success.
Okay, so now I can do File, do Save As, CSV, include table names. I don't want to do that. Next, let's save to the desktop. I'm just gonna call it Cardlet test. Alright, and then in here I'm gonna open another terminal up. And I'm gonna do desktop, open Cardlet test. Okay. Alright, open Cardlet test. Alright, so now I have that. Okay, so basically the idea is when we go to /set/new, I don't even remember the route anymore. So if we go to /new, basically, while we have that form, we should have another route, like go to File or go to Upload. So that allows to upload a CSV file. Yeah, so that's fun. So we'll get started with that. Maybe we can't finish it, but we'll see. Okay, so def, we can say upload by CSV. And then this is going to be one of the view functions. Okay, let's see. Alright, took me a while. So it's been a while since I did was the CSV interaction. So if you don't know what CSV stands for comma separated value. It's like that, basically, raw file format. If you open using Excel or anything, it will actually open in a table format. But okay. Okay, I don't want that to happen. I don't want to read an actual local file. I want to read. Okay, so it's not going to be that large, I hope. So in here I can say set. Oh, I should probably in a new set function, shouldn't I? New set. Alright, views. Okay, so new set. We can also, we're not going to exempt this one because it's going to be the direct upload. Alright, so if request method equals post, then what I want to do is I want to read the file. Okay, let's see if there's a quick tutorial. Close, Stack Overflow. I don't want to do the form way. I want to do it manually. Okay. Yeah, alright. You know what? We're just gonna go with it. I think it's called request.files bracket file name. We can just say the file. I don't know what I can say. F is that. And then can say with I think f.read gives you the files question mark. What did it just do? Let's see. Okay. So otherwise you can turn render request new set slash upload.html. Oh, huh. That is quite a bit of stuff. I'm just gonna copy the form. Also that part. Okay. So, well, it's well, all it's gonna be is input type is file, and the name is file. I don't know why I'm copying this. This doesn't have all the standard layout. Okay, we're gonna do div dash compound control. I'm gonna do button submit. If I remember correctly, that would be that. Via upload a CSV file. Okay. Views.new set via upload. Okay, so my intelligent thingy failed me now. View set via CSV. Looks like this thing's giving up. I don't know why. Not auto-completing for me. Alright, there we go. Okay, so now assume we refresh the page and assume it's gonna work. Expect a colon with 30 ms. Seriously didn't add a colon? I did. You're just bad. Alright. I'm gonna kill the server, I'm gonna run it again. So apparently VS Code has some issue with creating terminal, so I have to create a external terminal as you can see here. Okay. Well, this is something, I guess. First of all, this is not even wrapped in a form class. Actions, whatever. Method need to be post. And the ink type will be that. Okay, perfect. There we go. Alright, so let's pick a file. Pick one from my desktop. Hope that we're gonna sincerely hope that it can print out the file content and we can pass it into a reader or something. Okay, return none. Alright. For some reason I have so many unnecessary commas. Alright, well it reads the thing. That's good. And now I guess one more thing is we're just going to see if we can parse this CSV. So Python Since it natively supports CSV. From curses input flash. Where is that even? What's that input for? Okay. Yeah, sometimes I just ask myself, what's that input for? Okay. Anyway, we're gonna do that. Let's paste. Okay, so the file gonna be F. We hope that's gonna do whatever thing. I hope it just calls f.read, because that's the only thing I know it's gonna work. Otherwise, I don't know if it's. Oh, I can do .file. That's gonna give me the actual file, I think. We'll see. Alright. Okay, so if we can get this to work, it will be it for this video. Next video, we're gonna finish up this CSV upload, and since we have an upload or the import feature, probably should have one for export as well, so people can export it as a Google Sheet. That's always one thing I want for Quizlet, which it doesn't have, or unless I can find a way to export them. Let's see. Okay. Oh, not bytes. All right. Okay. So we can't do that. With open. All right. Let's see if someone figure this out. Parse CSV file uploaded by Django. Perfect. Let's see. CSV upload. Okay, I'm assuming that's a file object. Import. Okay. All right. Submit. Okay. Okay, good. It prints out. Perfect. So yeah, we're running out of time for this video. So in the next video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually upload the CSV. We're gonna parse it. So we'll be able to. We're not able to parse it. Now we're actually gonna read the list and then store them into the appropriate model that we created, and then yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. And as always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. And that was me, out.